How to quiet a busy mind, finding inner peace through meditation. Have you ever wished you could press a pause button on your mind? From the moment we wake up until we fall asleep, our thoughts rarely stop. We think about work deadlines, family responsibilities, finances, health, relationships, and endless what if scenarios. Sometimes our mind even replays conversations from years ago or imagines problems that may never happen. This constant mental chatter can leave us feeling exhausted, anxious, distracted, and emotionally drained. The good news is that you do not have to stop your thoughts completely. In meditation, the goal is not to have a blank mind. The goal is to develop a peaceful relationship with your thoughts. A quiet mind is not a mind without thoughts, it is a mind that is no longer controlled by them. In this video, you'll discover why the mind becomes so busy, the science behind mental chatter, practical meditation techniques to calm your thoughts, and simple daily habits that help you experience lasting inner peace. Let's begin. Why is the mind always busy? The human brain is designed to think. Thousands of years ago, constant thinking helped our ancestors survive. The brain continuously scanned for danger, searched for food, and planned for the future. Today, although we face fewer life-threatening situations, our brains still operate with the same survival mechanism. Instead of worrying about predators, we worry about emails. Instead of searching for food, we worry about promotions. Instead of preparing for storms, we prepare for meetings. The mind keeps running because it believes thinking equals safety. Modern life adds even more fuel to this cycle. Notifications, social media, breaking news, work stress, financial pressure, family expectations, information overload. Our brain rarely gets an opportunity to rest. Meditation provides that opportunity. It gives the mind permission to slow down. What happens when the mind never stops? A constantly busy mind affects every aspect of our lives. You may experience difficulty concentrating, anxiety, restlessness, poor sleep, emotional overwhelm, decision fatigue, irritability, lack of creativity, physical tension, burnout. When the mind is noisy, we lose touch with the present moment. Instead of experiencing life, we spend our time thinking about life. Meditation gently guides us back to the here and now. The biggest myth about meditation is that many beginners believe meditation means stopping every thought. This is one of the biggest misconceptions. Even experienced meditators continue to have thoughts. The difference is that they no longer chase every thought. Imagine sitting beside a river. The water represents your thoughts. You don't need to jump into the river. You simply watch the water flow. Meditation teaches us to become the observer instead of the participant. The thoughts come. The thoughts go. You remain peaceful. Let's understand the nature of thoughts. Thoughts are like clouds moving across the sky. Some are light. Some are dark. Some disappear quickly. Some stay longer. But the sky itself always remains untouched. Your awareness is like the sky. Thoughts are temporary visitors. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness observing them. This simple realization creates incredible inner freedom. Preparing for meditation. Choose a quiet place. Sit comfortably. Keep your spine straight but relaxed. Rest your hands gently on your lap. Close your eyes. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. As you inhale, imagine breathing in calmness. As you exhale, release stress. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Relax your forehead. Let your body become still. Technique 1. Mindful breathing. Your breath is always present. It naturally anchors you in the present moment. Begin noticing your breathing. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils. Feel your chest gently rise. Notice the pause. Feel the warm air leaving your body. There is nothing to change. Simply observe. When thoughts appear, and they will, gently return your attention to your breath. No judgment. No frustration. Every return is meditation. Every return strengthens your awareness. Technique 2. Counting the breath. If your mind feels especially restless, counting helps. Inhale. Exhale. Count 1. Next breath. Count 2. Continue until 10. Then begin again. If your mind wanders and you forget the number, simply begin again from 1. There is no failure. Every restart is progress. Technique 3. Body scan meditation. Often, a busy mind is connected to physical tension. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your cheeks. Relax your jaw. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Release your arms. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Relax your hips. Relax your legs. Relax your feet. As your body softens, your thoughts naturally become quieter. Technique 4. Watching thoughts. Imagine sitting in a movie theater. Your thoughts appear on the screen. Do not analyze them. Do not judge them. Simply observe. Notice. This is a planning thought. This is a worrying thought. This is a memory. This is a fear. Naming thoughts gently creates emotional distance. Instead of becoming trapped inside them, you observe them peacefully. Technique 5. Mantra meditation. A mantra gives the mind a gentle focus. Choose a peaceful word or phrase. Examples include peace, calm, stillness, love, I am, soham. Silently repeat your chosen mantra with each breath. Whenever your mind wanders, gently return to the mantra. Over time, the repetition naturally quiets mental chatter. Technique 6. Loving kindness meditation. Sometimes our mind becomes busy because of emotional pain. Begin by silently repeating, may I be peaceful. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Now think of someone you love. Repeat, may you be peaceful. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Gradually extend these wishes to friends, strangers, and even people you find difficult. Compassion calms the heart. A peaceful heart creates a peaceful mind. Here is how to work with intrusive thoughts. Many people become discouraged when disturbing thoughts arise. Remember this. Thoughts are not commands. Thoughts are not facts. Thoughts are simply mental events. Instead of saying, I shouldn't be thinking this, say, interesting. My mind produced another thought. Curiosity replaces resistance. And what we stop resisting begins to lose its power. There is power in acceptance. Trying to force the mind into silence often creates more noise. Imagine trying to smooth the surface of a lake by slapping the water. The harder you try, the bigger the ripples become. Instead, allow the water to settle naturally. Acceptance creates stillness. Resistance creates struggle. Meditation teaches gentle acceptance. Here are daily habits that support a quiet mind. Meditation works even better when combined with healthy habits. Reduce unnecessary screen time. Spend time in nature. Sleep well. Drink enough water. Exercise regularly. Practice gratitude. Avoid multitasking. Read inspiring books. Listen to calming music. Take mindful walks. Create moments of silence during the day. Your nervous system needs regular breaks. Silence is nourishment. Here is a 5-minute meditation practice. Let's do a simple practice together. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in. And breathe out. Again. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now allow your breathing to become natural. Notice your breath. If thoughts appear, smile gently. Bring your attention back. Imagine sitting beside a peaceful lake. The water is still. The air is cool. Birds sing softly. Feel the warmth of the sun. Notice the calmness around you. Now realize this peaceful lake exists within your own awareness. The more you return here, the easier it becomes to access inner peace. Take another deep breath. Feel gratitude for this moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this peace into the rest of your day. Here are the long-term benefits of quieting the mind. With consistent meditation, you may begin to notice remarkable changes. You become less reactive. You think more clearly. You sleep more deeply. You make better decisions. Your relationships improve. You become more patient. Your creativity expands. Stress loses its grip. You feel happier for no particular reason. Most importantly, you begin experiencing life directly instead of living inside constant mental commentary. These are common challenges for beginners. You may think, I can't meditate. My mind is too busy. I don't have enough time. Remember, every meditator started exactly where you are. Meditation is not about perfection. It is about practice. Even 5 minutes each day can transform your mental well-being over time. Consistency matters more than duration. A few peaceful minutes every day are far more powerful than one long meditation once a month. A quiet mind is one of life's greatest treasures. It cannot be purchased. It cannot be borrowed. It can only be cultivated through gentle, consistent practice. Every time you sit in meditation, you are training your mind to return home. Not to a place outside yourself, but to the stillness that has always existed within you. Remember, peace is not something you create. Peace is what remains when the noise begins to fade. The next time your mind feels overwhelmed, pause. Take one deep breath. Become aware of this present moment. Because this moment is where peace lives. Thank you for meditating with me today. If you found this meditation guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could use a little more peace in their life. Until next time, may your mind be calm, your heart be light, and your soul be at peace.